Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Today is April 1st. We are finally in the month of April, and it's actually very chilly outside today. So, I hope you're having a good morning. Let's go ahead and get started and put first things first today. The first thing you'll do is go to your class links page and open up your Google Classroom like you've been doing every day. And here is our stream. Parents, I have the newsletter on our stream, and I'm going to put it at the top just in case you missed it Monday or Tuesday, because I would like for you to go make sure you're reading through our newsletter and then go to our classwork tab. All right, so today, boys and girls, is day 12 of e-learning. So today is 4-1. So the first thing you're going to do today is your big ideas. Yesterday you worked in the workbook. Today you're going to be working in the workbook as well. So once again, you will not go to the Big Ideas app. There's a little video that you can watch that shows you what to do, but you're playing the game. You're doing questions 1 through 6, pages 605 and 606 in your workbook. And don't forget to do extra math. I have some friends who are not doing extra math every day, and it's important that you're working on those math facts. So make sure you're working in extra math until it tells you to sign out. That means you've done a full round of what it wants you to do. When you're done, hit view assignment and turn in. The same thing for Dreambox. Make sure you do Dreambox for 30 minutes, and then you open it up, view assignment, and hit turn in. So I know you have done it. Today, you're going to read your story. Let me open that up for you today. View assignments, the instructions tab. You are reading The Goat in the Rug. You've already read it Monday and Tuesday. Today, you're rereading it. It starts on page 251. And then you're going to complete the graphic organizer. So you'll open that up. Remember, Google automatically saves your work. So once it opens, you are going to type your responses below to the essential questions. So why does Geraldine think she'll turn red, brown, and black? You'll type your answer right beside where it says answer here. And then, do you think Geraldine likes spending time with Glen May, What makes you think that? So you'll type your answer down there. Those are your essential questions. But then, boys and girls, you're going to scroll down. Also complete the graphic organizer. So after you read the book on page 251, I want you to give me examples of Glen May's words, her actions, and her thoughts that share that. So there are two things you are doing today: essential question and the graphic organizer. When you're done, you'll X out, and then you'll hit turn in, and then you'll jump onto Lexia for 20 minutes. And then you will do you have AR time today, but boys and girls, today for social studies, you are going on a virtual field trip to Ellis Island. You have been reading about it in your PDFs for social studies. Well, today, boys and girls, and tomorrow, you'll do a virtual field trip. So I wanted to share with you. So if you open up the Ellis Island Interactive Tour, you will go to Scholastic's website, but also where it says Ellis Island Field Trip, it gives you all the directions. So you'll go to the Scholastic website. You will click the link to start the tour. There will be a start tour button. I can show it to you right here. You are doing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 today. So 1 through 5. You will go through the places of 6 through 10 tomorrow. So you're going to go through the virtual tour on the Scholastic website and pay attention. And it says, pay attention to the facts you learned, because after you do the virtual tour for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you will go back to where it says 3 facts stops 1 through 5. Open up your Google Doc. And think about what you learned from stops 1 through 5 of your Ellis Island field trip, your interactive tour, your virtual tour. Share 3 things that you learned from the stories. You can talk about the photographs, the audio that you hear, or the videos you watch. So you're just going to come down here and type 3 things that you learned. And I hope you enjoyed that virtual field trip. I thought that would be really cool. So, boys and girls, you'll notice there are 3 attachments for social studies. One is the directions. One is the actual website. It'll open up the Scholastic website for you. And then the third one is your Google Doc that you type your 3 facts in. So once you are done with your 3 facts, remember Google automatically saves, X out of it, and then come back and hit your turn in button. The last thing you'll have today is your AR time. So make sure if you have not taken an AR test this week, it is Wednesday already. So make sure that you are getting an AR test in. If you're reading a chapter book, you just need a test on it by Friday. If you're reading short stories that are worth the 0.5 points, you should be taking 1 to 2 tests each week. The Tumble Book Search video is there. I will also be creating something else, another way to search for books that I will share with you tomorrow. So, boys and girls, I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday. Don't forget to be washing your hands. Try not to touch your face. I'm trying to remind you of that every day. And please send some pictures of things you do and your work and pictures of you. I miss you all so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.